be showing you a particular website that is going to allow you to make money writing story. This particular person said she has written a story, but she does not know where to apply and how to apply. So I'm going to be making a video, full tutorial on how you can actually apply on this particular website. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dive into today's video. Click on the link. It's going to show you this particular page showing what is Letterless. Letterless is a writing platform for English writers across the world. It works worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are watching me from. It actually helps writers to publish and promote their books on online novel platform, like different novel platform. You can see such as Season Novel, Novel Reader, Novella, and many more like that. So this particular website is an amazing platform for writers. And if you don't know how to write at all, maybe you've never tried it, right? I mean, you've never tried writing at all. You can actually get inspo from other authors. You can read online. Totally, is free. You can also watch movies to get inspiration on what you want to write. Okay, let's keep going because I'm still going to show you something important that's going to guide you. Okay, now this is the benefits you're going to be getting once you. They actually, let me first say this. There are actually two types of contracts. They have exclusive contracts and non-exclusive contracts. So for exclusive contracts, signing bonus is $100 and daily updates bonus is $200. So they actually paid monthly. Sure you get. So just make sure that you read it the requirements before you apply. If you're okay with it, go ahead. The non-exclusive contract, the signing bonus is $50. Just read more about it, okay? We have to read more about it, the tips and everything. Now you can actually get a writer's benefits. Just read, go through it, okay? So if you want to sign up, you can actually click on apply contract now, or you click on sign up button by the top corner of the platform. So there's one more important thing that I would like you to go and check first before you even think of applying to this particular website, because it is very very crucial. You can't just say you want to write your story and bam, you just go and upload it. You are going to get rejected if you don't follow their guideline. Okay, so as you can see right there, why my story is rejected, three things you may want to know about your editor review. So you can see they actually have different things that you can earn from tropes, from opening, from tips, character, plots. All of those things is very very crucial and essential in your story. So you need to go through them. But if you feel like you've tried all of this, you've go through the what is it called, writers academy, and you do not even understand or you don't even know how to write perfectly to start making money, then that is when you need to get a ghostwriting mentorship program. This is not something that I own. I actually bought this particular course as well. So this particular course is going to help you, enlighten you on what you are expected to do. And you're going to be getting a free mentorship for a whole year until you make your first $1,000 from your ghostwriting journey. So this is amazing. If you want to join the platform, let me know in the comment section. And you're going to be paying the sum of 25,000 naira. Yeah. So it's not free. But all of this information I gave you is what I got from the course. And if you still feel like you don't you've written a story and you don't even get approved, then you to consider getting the ghostwriting course. It's going to enlighten you, guide you, free mentorship until you get your first $1,000 from ghostwriting. I hope it's helpful. Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, have you tried uploading your story on Lectalers before? Let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like this video because it's very very essential. Like the video. Why? Is that a dress? Nah, I'm begging you. See you on the next one. Bye. Do take care of yourself.